How to fix TikTok something went wrong problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily fix TikTok's something went wrong problem. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable enough internet connection. And then once you make sure that you have connection stabled, long press on TikTok and then tap on the I button. Once you go over to your app info, go to permissions and make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app to run smoothly. Then go back and you want to clear your cache from your storage, tap on storage, and then go to clear cache at the bottom. Once you do that, you can also try to clear data, but this will log you out of your account, so you're going to have to log back in one more time. Once you have done that, you can try to force stop the app. Tap on force stop at the bottom right, and then tap on OK. So what it does is if there is any background activity or request going on, it's going to completely stop it. That might be causing the issue. Then after doing all of this, give your phone a quick restart by long pressing on your power button and then tap on restart. Then you can go ahead and open TikTok again. Now once you open up your TikTok, you should be able to fix the problem without any issue. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.